Minsan iniisip natin dumating si Jesus para gumawa ng bagong relihiyon. Pero kapag binasa mong mabuti ang Gospels, parang hindi yon ang focus niya. Hindi siya umikot, nagsasabing, join this new religion. Ang message niya is always, the kingdom of God is near. Kingdom, not empire, not politics, not religious performance. Kingdom, a new reality where God becomes king again in human hearts. Kaya nga si Jesus, dangerous sa sistema ng mundo because systems love control. Pero ang kingdom ni Jesus, binabago ang tao from inside out. Hindi lang external rules, kundi transformation. Kaya kahit fishermen, naging world changers din. Kahit broken sinners, naging carriers of His grace. Because the kingdom changes identity. At minsan, we reduce Christianity to attendance lang. Attend the church, then give your money, go home, and repeat. Pero si Jesus was forming a new humanity. People who forgive radically, people who love deeply, people who carry peace into chaos. And maybe today, Jesus is not asking if you are religious enough. He is asking, will you follow the King? Come and join the kingdom of God. Come to Jesus.